Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Firdaus Manzili Putri, and in this presentation, I'd like to talk about the topic that I chose before. It is nowadays train is preferable to ride. So the train is one of the transportation in Indonesia that is in great demand by travelers. Besides being more efficient and beside being more efficient, the trains now is considered to be more comfortable and affordable price than other transportation. And based on my experience, the train now is very comfortable. I often use this transportation to going somewhere, to the long distance or even in close distance. So in the past, when I was in elementary school, I had taken the train from my hometown, from the Mojokerto to Jakarta, and I can feel very striking differences with the train that I use now, even if I have in economic class too. So the train is changing over the time that you may not realize, since having revitalization in 2011 until 2012 by PT KAI. The train offers many facilities. The train offers many facilities and services, but not only the facilities and services, but also the service device during the trip. So there are some differences between the previous train or long or yes, the previous train and nowadays train. The first is from the ticketing system. In the past, when you want to buy a ticket, you have to queue and to go to the counter at the station, at the station, and you can stay overnight just to get a ticket, because it is so many long queue and so many people that want to buy a ticket too. But now there are a lot of provider, especially online provider like Traveloka and many more that you can buy ticket via online. So you don't have to go to the station, to the railway station, but you can buy a ticket. Just sit in your house, in your room, and you can buy ticket by yourself. The second difference is from the facilities. In the past, you could say, before having revitalization, the facilities of the train is very limited, starting for the type of seat that is not comfortable to sit on, and then the fan is not maintained, and until sometimes the ventilation is broken, and the most disgusting is from the cleanliness of the toilet, which are not good or very bad. But now riding a train is like on a plane, starting from the comfortable seat and the air condition in all categories, or in all class of the train, and then the electric plugs for charging, and then until the restoration that provides various foods and so on. So you can you can ride, you can enjoy the trip, and sometimes the more complete with the service of from the friendly train stewardess. and and the very striking difference is from the safety. uh, in the past, the thing we most often encounter, especially those of you who ride in the economy or business train, is the presence of the hawkers. Every station stops, many traders immediately ride into the carriage. Sometimes the safety and the comfort of the passengers are tested at the time. And not to mention, many cases of throwing glass from the outside to the carriage caused many victims. But riding the train today, uh, riding the train today is very safe and comfortable. From the street vendors have been banned even into the station, and the security was tightened by the presence of several police personnel in each carriage, so the safety is guaranteed. Okay, that's all about my argumentation about the today's train or nowadays train is preferable to ride. And uh, thanks for your attention. Thank you, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.